So now we're looking at how to upload a list into Klaviyo. So to navigate, you want to go over here on the left and under audience, list and segments. And then you go up here, top right, create new, create a list. So let's just call this example list. So remember the difference between a list and a segment is a list is just literally a list of emails that you've collected from somewhere. A segment is a group of people who are already on your list and you're segmenting them in a certain way. So these two options we're not looking at today because this is to create a sign up form or a pop-up. This is for something on your site. We're just going to look at here to upload contacts. Right, and this is just a preference. You do it however you like, but you can either upload or switch to copy and paste. Obviously, if it's a massive file, it probably would be better to upload it. But for this one, we're just going to do copy and paste. Here's an example that I've got here. It's just a bunch of invented data. So we'll just paste it in. And if we just have a look at the top, you've got to format your sheet or your copy and paste in the correct way. So email address, first name, last name, phone number. This is a text within Excel. I mean, obviously you might use something else, but make sure it's in a text format in Excel so you can get the plus. If you format as a number, it'll get rid of the plus. So yeah, make sure it's formatted as text. And then birthday is obviously in a date format. But again, that's mainly for uploading. That's partly why I like copy paste as well. You don't have to worry about the formats. Okay, so then you click next. Now these are already mapped out. I did have to map these out before in a test run. But email, it'll always find your email, and then first name, last name, it generally finds them. If you call it first name, call the column first name, call the column last name, it will find it. Phone number, yeah, you just click on this and then find it within there. You could type it, say, oh, that's a phone number. And then the one down here, birthday, I had to create this. So I've already got that created, but all I had to do here was click create new field. And then you just choose from whichever it is. So text being text, number, a date is a date, and then consent is if they want to consent or not. It's probably a Y or an N. Boolean is an exact match of text as far as I remember correctly. And list, I've never used that, so don't know about that. And then, yeah, then we just click next. And then generally, yes, people you're uploading are going to want to be subscribed. So I generally always tick that. There could be some reasons why you don't want to change their status. They may already be subscribed and you don't want to change it. I don't know. But generally, I always click yes. And then here we go. We're doing email and SMS this time. And then you just click import. And then off it goes. So I know that works because I did a test before. So there's no reason to wait around. But yeah, the main thing to remember is just that formatting there, the text in this column. Oh yeah, and they did say put a country code, but that's an additional option, I think, just to make sure. If you put +44, it should be fine. But just put country if you want to be sure. All right, that's the end of this video.